Hello everyone. As we know that NDA had allowed females to join NDA since an year or two, 1 or 2 years ago. Many matches have been, many females are um, trying for that, are going also and are inspired to join the NDA. Similarly, just like NDA, they have also provided the opportunity for them to join special forces also, 5 or 6 months I think so, and people are too afraid to send them. I don't, because they think that the reputation of the army of the India would get ruptured, even though the same happens inside the country. The thing is that they think that the dignity of any female is equal to an India, and so if something happens to her, the whole Indian image would be spoiled. But don't you think this image of any of India doesn't get ruptured when such cases occur every single minute, every single second, every single day? Doesn't that matter? And the only thing that would matter would be when it goes out of the country. And the thing which happens inside the country, doesn't it matter? Isn't it the same? Doesn't those life? Don't you think they are equal? Don't you think they value more? Is someone dignity greater than another's? No, everyone is equal, right? So why the hell do some people think that females shouldn't be joining the special forces? They think that the standards should be equal. So now standards are also equal. Do you have any excuse now? Now they are also joining. Don't you think? So when someone joins, then they would say that they are art piece, even though they meet the same standards. Now do they have some problem? And if they even join, then they say this dignity one thing, and the another thing that they say biological differences. Like we know, average male, which is like a normal civilian, and an average army man, would they be equal? No, the army men would be comparatively more stronger than them. And an average female, which is usually less stronger than an normal civilian male, don't you think that similarly, just like how females get stronger, they would also get stronger, the females in the army? Don't you think they would also be stronger? And if they're trained in a well mannered and in a well manner, they would also become as equal to males. And this is what is called equal standards. So if a female is equal to run a 5 kilometers in 4 minutes, and same a man can do, then I don't think so that is um, something to be controversial. That is controversial. So this is what I think, and according to me, it's not like donation to make someone happy that I'm giving opportunity to join the special forces, because we promote equality. But what I encourage is that whoever is capable should be given a chance. If a female is able to lift some weight and same a man can do, then, and this is the standard for any special force, if a man can run 5 kilometers in 2 minutes, 4 minutes, and same a female can do, she has to do this much pull-ups or this much push-ups in some time, and same a man has also to do. That is equal. If that is equal, then there is no problem and both are equal. Now sometimes, what, this dignity things come, but what the hell is that? If you don't give a shit what happens inside the country, and people think that we will not send you because if any female or something, they will impose, then this is everything that is happening in the complete life. Females are not sent outside because something would happen to them. They are not going for playing. They are not going to market to buy things, or something like that, or they are not going outside because uh, they don't want their children to be harmed, and similarly they don't want their children to go in the armed forces, especially females. Like something would happen or this that. I'm just way too I'm just way too frustrated because of this, and I have no words to explain. Whatever I was able to tell you, I have told you, and I hope you were able to understand it. So the conclusion is that whoever is capable should be given a chance, whether it be female or male. And if someone is really passionate about it, they would meet the standard. However, they would work hard as much as they could, and if they couldn't, they would raise their standards, and they would make every effort to make them equal to males, because effort is not something that a person would think that I should compromise on, because effort would make them equal, and that effort is all it takes, and that is the thing which would make them better than what they were, and equal to male, and how they will get equal opportunities. So I just made this video to make some people know that if standards are equal, then there is nothing compromise that we can do. And another thing, that a female would die, or this, that a female dies every day, her dignity dies, she dies from inside. Another thing, that any person goes inside the army knowing that he or she has to die. They go in army to die. They know that they will die, and they are ready for it. And that is a big price. That is a big present for them. That's such a nice cause they are dying. And to be honest, I would also feel honored. And if a person is having the heart, is having the passion of going, then they know what are the consequences, and you have to not teach them whatever is going to happen, because you are no one to tell, because you are not capable of doing anything. You are just sitting on your phone, on sitting on your couch and typing on your phone. You have no right to speak anyone to anything. They can dream of whatever they want. Just like how you were a kid and you said, I want to be a footballer, I want to be a cricketer, and some teachers came and told you that you would not be able to, how your dreams were crushed. Similarly should be done to people who are dreaming and they may achieve. Because I'm not saying when you were younger you were not capable of becoming some cricketer or something. You would have been, and maybe if you are trying you can be. I'm not being harsh to every male person, but I'm just being practical. I'm giving a practical approach, and the person uh, who is supportive, I think that you are a very nice person, and even if no one has praised you, then you are a very nice person. I think this was the only compliment I could give you, and thank you. Bye bye.